Hello everyone, this is Mohr, and today we are analyzing Gbpusd. So we'll do our drop-down analysis starting from the daily time frame to see over the trade, the overall trade of the market. Here we can see some notable demand zones. We can see about 3 demand zones. We have the other one above. So what we do, we map out these zones to get a clear picture of it. So this is our first demand zone, the lower one, and this is the closer demand zone. We are looking for market to react towards these zones, but it's always advisable to always wait for the extreme zone, which is the first zone that I mapped out. So there's another one here too, another demand zone here. So we map it out. So we have 3 demand zones. I want to see how the market reacts. If the market reacts on the first one, we have to wait to have a standard confirmation, and if the market breaks it, then we'll go for the other zones. Then we'll go down to 4 hours time frame to see if we can get a sell opportunity, selling down to those, because the market is in a downtrend towards the demand zones that we mapped out. Okay, so we'll go down to the 4 hours time frame. We can see there is the supply zone which the market have tapped into and reacted from that zone, so we map it out. That's our supply zone. That's our supply zone, and we can see another supply zone after the market reaction that caused the break of structure, so we map it out as well. We map out the supply zone too, and then there's a supply zone. So we'll be waiting for the market to react to this zone before the continuation of the selling towards the demand zones that we mapped out earlier on. So we'll go down to the 1 hour time frame to refine our zones, and here we can see the demand zones, supply zones rather, as well. So we refine the 4 hours supply zone into this 1 hour. It's always good to refine their zones, and here we can see another supply zone. The market but has nothing in the imbalance there. So it's always good to refine your zones to have that sniper entry or a high probability trade or a better risk reward ratio as well. So we go down to the 30 minutes to find our entries, and here we can also refine the 1 hour time zone, the supply at the 1 hour. You can see the supply at 1 hour. We can refine it to the 30 minutes, and here we can see there is another supply zone that was created following the break of the structure. You can see a break of structure there from the supply zone, from the 30-minute supply zone. And we also map out a little break of structure from the recent supply zone. This is the recent supply zone that was created. So we watch how the market reacts to these zones, but our main primary one will be looking towards the the extreme supply zone. So here you can see break of structure that caused from the that was caused by the recent supply. So this is the recent break of structure. So we'll be looking how the market reacts. If the market reacts well on the first or the second one, we'll wait for a standard confirmation like I mentioned earlier on to get our entry to sell. If not, if the market breaks through the first and the second zone, so we'll wait for the extreme zone. You can see. Thank you for staying with this. I'll post on the update about this at the end of the day when it plays out, whatever the outcome will. I will always post it too. So take care. See you on our next video.